Okay.
Mas busier talaga, takbo-takbo kayo in between.
Okay.
Pero should be enough time to capture them while they're on stage and during the presentation.
Okay.
Yeah. Kasi there's very little time na nagka-clash ang
Oo,
dalawang session.
Oo.
So it's either one session here or one session
Mhm.
there. Yeah.
Nag-ano siya overlapping Overlapping yung program. So, ibig sabihin, basta kumuha kami na, ang kailangan doon sa stage is wide shots
Opo.
na may with crowd, tapos tight shots.
Mas prefer ko po yun yung makakuha niyo. Yung ano lang is, minsan kasi nakikita nila yung photos agad is fresh from the camera, walang edit. Di pa nakakulay ng maayos.
Yun ang
So
reason.
parang, yun minsan yun ang nakikita nila. But the actual framing and everything, mas gusto ko
It's
pa yun
good.
yung sa kanya.
Nice.
Of
Nice to
course.
hear that. Nice to
Yeah.
hear that. Nice
Kasi
to hear that.
yung pinakamaganda, yung ano palagi binabalikan namin yung sa Bangkok.
Oo.
Is kasi talaga yung, ano siya, yung parang high shadows, high highlights type of, parang type of edit.
Saan yun sa amin?
No,
Thailand.
Sa Thailand.
Sa Thailand.
Contrast, saka...
Oo, ang taas
yung
eh.
contrast.
Sobre eh.
Ganun.
Parang parang sunog, napansin mo yun?
Sunog.
Sunog eh. Tapos ano
I
siya,
think
yung dark
gumamit sila
is...
ng filter.
I think from the ano na yun eh. Kasi straight from camera daw yun.
Ay, straight.
Oo.
So, hindi sila nagbawas ng ano.
So, ibig sabihin, mas... Kumbaga, yung sa requirement na binibigay namin is okay naman.
Okay, perfect.
Wala.
You guys don't miss out anything actually. So the way you guys normally do, capture nyo lahat and with a lot of options,
So,
which is what we want.
so we'll do
as usual.
we'll do our thing. We'll do our thing. We'll just
As usual.
do more. Kumbaga.
Yeah, do more.
Take shots more.
For
Take
the
shots more.
For the videos lang po yun, kasi nabibigitan kami minsan pag nawalan kaming space online and sa hard drive. Siguro less on the food. At saka kung mga...
Hindi na ako nagsishoot sa food.
Yun, less
Sige,
on the
sir.
food lang. At saka
Less on the
more
food tayo.
Kung ma-interact ba the B-roll for networking or what,
Yes.
yung medyo mahalaga na medyo mahaba. Minsan kasi nakakuha kami mga clips na mga 2 seconds lang na ganun lang.
Ano yun? Yung sa kanya ginagawa niya yun is, ano yun, pang B-rolls.
Use the duration, sir.
Duration. Pang B-rolls
Right-click,
yun.
duration, kasi I'll do it 60 frames.
60 frames.
You
Pwede mo
can
siyang
use it
i-stretch.
at 50% to 30% and then may stretch
Yun
6
yun.
seconds.
Yung 2
Okay, okay.
yung 2 seconds na yan, kung
6 seconds
yung editor
yan.
is may stretch mo yun.
Okay.
Tapos yung 2
6
seconds na yun,
seconds,
kadalasan yun, ginagamit yun as B-rolls. So pag may makikita ka mga short clips ni Chito is, yun, B-rolls yun, supporting clips.
Okay.
Sometimes kasi, sir, kaya minsan nagiging
Ano pa?
2 seconds na. Kino-concern ko rin yung mga guests.
Guests.
Kaya,
Baka ayaw nila.
Mga boy din, alis
Baka
na.
ayaw nila.
Kasi baka ako nakaka...
Pero yun lang.
Ano
I think
pa?
overall, goods kasi...
X8.
No, the only issue na sa amin last year is medyo nawawalan kaming space at saka feeling like nagta-timing kami to sift through everything. Pero after KL, actually hindi ako na-impress doon masyado. After nun, I would rather na marami kaming options and then like we sift through and then we get good bunch instead of na parang, ito lang nakuha namin.
What happened to KL? Kami ba yun? Or...
No, itong KL is yung kakapunta lang namin.
Okay. Ito lang, hindi. Kailan lang? A week
Ito lang,
ago.
March.
A month ago.
26, oo.
A month
Saan
ago.
yun? Kuala Lumpur,
Kuala
Malaysia.
Lumpur,
Sa
Malaysia.
Alof din yun eh.
Alof.
Sa Alof din. Okay.
So, okay din. Loaf actually is good.
Okay. So yung issue is we're good.
We're good. Walang issue.
Walang
There's no
issue.
issue actually.
Okay.
It's just on a slightly more on just
I see.
yung on the admin side of the clips and everything.
Alright.
Pero
So,
in
edit
terms of like capturing and like yung angles and
We're good.
what you guys get, it's good.
Thanks.
Kayo
Thanks,
pa
man.
rin ang standard namin.
Thanks, man.
Kasi sa
Thanks.
akin din talaga, siguro a bit more on like the medyo, I don't know, artistic shot ba yun na may malaking bokeh, Tapos
Actually, we don't do that kasi nga dahil sa branding. Pag, kunyari, let's say for example, we do wides o kaya we do tight shots. Pag we do tight shots, pag alam namin merong mga branding like for example, yung yung brand nyo ng Rockbird Media. Pag nilabuan namin yun, mawawala yung sense ng photo.
Okay, sige. That's, I get that. Pero minsan din siguro on some of your tighter shots, siguro pwede naman din.
Pwede na,
It doesn't
okay.
have to, especially if it's like a nice speaker shot or like
para bokeh lang.
Yeah, pwede so
I
that we
see.
can also
Okay.
use that kind.
Okay,
Yeah.
vocal issues.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Good.
Gets ko naman
additional-
pero it doesn't have to be all the time. If you see there's a nicer shot na medyo more, kasi din namin
So, medyo
angat yung
artistic
premium yun nga. Kasi minsan, iba last year parang medyo like, hindi naman walang artistic, pero super capturing lang just the like the branding and straight. So, if we can include some more of those kind of shots.
Okay, sige, okay. At least alam na natin.
Pero
okay.
doon naman, patahaba ng kayo, good pa rin kayo. Sa akin, panalo pa rin kayong dalawa.
One shot till end.
Alright. Hi, ma'am. Nice to see you again. Morning, ma'am. Morning. Morning, sir. Morning. Morning, ma'am. Mind if I take a few snaps? Mind if I take a few snaps pa? Para, kahit kasama lang kayo, ma'am. It's okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Teammate? Teammate? Sige, kahit ikaw na lang muna, no? Alright. Look at the camera lang po, Alright, ready? 1, 2. One more. 1, 2. And also video po. Video. Hi, sir. Mama, team po kayo. Okay lang po, kuha na po kayo. Few snaps lang po. Kahit dito lang po sa may... Yes po. Sa front lang po ng table niyo po, sir. Is there someone gonna be speaking later? Wala po, sir? Or ano? Okay. Alright. Check lang. Tingin lang po sa akin dito. Ready? 1, 2. One more. 1, 2. And few videos po.
Okay lang po.
Yo, sir, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a good one. Alright.
Nakuha lang po si Jan. Kumulo si Miss Mo.
Oh, yay! Alright. Okay. Tatlo lang po tayo sa team. Okay. Alright. Alright. 1, 2. One more. 1, 2. And a few videos po.
Sa video, sir, ma'am. Kaway lang po.
Kaway lang po. This one. Elsa. Kuha na lang tayo ng ano. Hi, good morning. Do you have any colleagues with you this morning or...
If you come back when they're here na parang
Sure. Sige po. Sige, at least kayo muna po di ko kuha, babalik ako na lang po kaya. Yeah, thank you. Good morning. Good morning, sir. Full team? Or I say
Early birds.
early bird. All right. I see. I have an idea. Maybe yeah, it should be at the back so we could see the logo, the brand. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, jump po kayo, ma'am. Or if ever po, mas maganda po yung isa dito. Sir, get it. Move on. Yes. Perfect. That's good. Okay, that's good. Okay, look at the camera first. Alright, ready. 1, 2. We're having a good day today, so I need a big smile, right? Alright, 1, 2. One more. 1, 2. Perfect. Alright, video. Just for B-roll lang po.
Okay, ma'am. Go.
Para sa B-roll lang. One more. Alright. Thank you. Sprout. Sige, kuha na ko. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning. 4,000 Kelvin ako.
Oo, 2,000. Kelvin?
4,000 ang Kelvin ko. ISO ko, ano? 1.6.
4,000.
Ah!
Naramdaman mo rin pala. So, sometimes mag-woodworks.
Ha?
Sometimes, naisip ko,
An-
gusto ko mga woodworks. Yung mga ganyan.
Ah, woodwork. So,
Actually, si Airpag kasi, may ano yun, may talent yun sa carpentry, saka sa
ooh,
mason,
I see.
I'm inviting everyone to this ballroom. We will be starting in 5 minutes.
Chito, kuha tayo ng ano? Logo. Logo dun sa ano, kabila. Hindi, nakuha naman na ba ng logo na ganyan dun sa kabila?
Yes, sir.
Yung ganyan?
Yes, sir.
Oo, tatakbo lang ako, brother. Kailangan ko ng tapo. Pupak. Sir, 30? 30? Ay, masyadong madilim. Ah, may ilaw ka ba, sir? Mangyayari dito ano, wala ka. Malabo ang subject. Kailangan ng ilaw. Oo. Kailangan. Oo, sir. Try na. Okay ba sila sa ganon? Pag may speaker, sir. Kasi ano si mismo Angie, wala na eh. Sige, Angie, okay. Okay ka dyan. Teka, sige, punta kayong dalawa. Yeah. Sige.
Ang dilim nga.
To delete.
Itumuko pa yung lights.
Ah,
Kasi
oo.
ang tutok ko ng lights is sa podium.
Sa podium. Podium. I see. Sir, okay lang ba dito ka sa podium umakyat?
Dito lang, sir.
Yes, sir. Sa may mismong podium. Let's see kung balance yung ilaw nung ano. Sir, still insufficient eh.
Paano kaya nga lang?
Malayo kasi yung ano eh. Dapat kadalasan yung 15 feet away lang.
Ilalapit.
Hindi nga.
Hindi maigaganon dahil. Ay,
Okay na yan. Ako na yun.
mag-addition.
Ganunin ko na.
Kabila, may paano sa kabila set? Kahit walang kaulo.
Wala na eh. Kaganunin ko na lang. Ang problem ko doon sa kabila. Kasi isa lang yung ganyan ko. Tingnan ko lang anong gagawin ko. Thank you. Okay na yan, pero ito ilang percent yung LED?
40, sir.
40. Perfect. Thank you. 40. Okay. Pat, thank you.
Good morning. My task is to really energize all of you since I'm the first speaker. But nevertheless, I would like to congratulate all of you for being here. You know,
Yes, sir. Sa kabila? Ano yun? May susunod uli?
No, di ba kasi usually pagkatapos may binibigay tayo tapos yung...
Okay.
I don't want a robot.
Chito, about to finish na yung isa. Oo. Magpo-photo finish.
there has been a case as well in Hong Kong wherein there was a fraudulent payment to a supplier. So the supplier provided an AI-generated video of one of the C-suites or the leads, like the CFO. Thank you very much, everyone, and yeah, hope you learned a lot in those few 30 minutes, and hope you're all more AI fluent right now. Thank you.
Please stay on stage. Okay. Alright.
Every worker deserves the right to stay relevant. They are not soft traits. They are strategic advantages. And we must leverage on them if we are to thrive in the age of AI. Into a major pillar of the Philippine economy. AI operations, even digital marketing. Thank you very much for listening to me.
What a great way to start our day. Thank you, Jack, for setting the scene for our LMEX Manila. Calling on stage Rockbird Media's Managing Director, Leo, for some token of appreciation.
Kindly stay at the center, sir. Stay at the center, sir. Alright. Alright, ready. 1, 2, 1, 2. Thank you, sir.
Mismatch in role, workload challenges, preference for flexibility or better opportunities. So the cycle repeats. And this is happening even in organizations doing everything right.
Ayun, nasa coffee station tayo. Kasi alam mo, sa totoo lang, sabi ko, gusto ko mag-freelance kasi gusto ko maka-experience ng mga bagong... Kasi syempre iba yung sa akin eh. Pag ako lang ako eh. Diba? Parang gusto ko rin yung may natatry akong ibang tao. Sir, adjust ko lang po ang inyong mic. Yeah. Yes, sir. So I need you to say lang po 1, 2, 3 for sound check lang po para dito.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Where the hell is my coffee? Where's my coffee?
You want the badge or no badge? The badge is okay.
When we promote people,
Hi sir, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Okay lang po ba makuhanan kayo na photos po? Okay lang po. Ilan po yung... ilan po inyong ilan po kayo ngayon? Tatlo or...
Nasa labas po yung dalawa.
Dalawa. Okay. So we can have a group photo. Okay.
Masabay na rin kami po.
Sure.
He's the Chief People Officer of Asia Link Finance Corporation. Everyone, let's please welcome Sir Mark Encino.
So, my question to my fellow panelists will be that what is one of the quirkiest things you've used AI for?
Short answers, Dr. Fabi. Why aren't we moving from pilots to at-scale execution?
Thank you so much, Sir Megan, and to our dear panelists, Sir Don, Dr. Fabi, and
Please
Sir Mark.
stay on stage,
And of course,
ma'am.
our very own delegates. Thank you
All
for
right.
your active participation in this session.
All right, 1, 2, one more. 1, 2.
The QR code on the screen shortly.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Ganda. XH2S. Di ba? Merong ganito. O, di ba? Pag interview, tanggal lang kabit, no? Pero pag ito, recording on stage, ang ka dyan. Lukot. Yeah.
Okay, we're at time, so thank you everybody for this wonderful conversation today.
Direct kukuhanan din sila on stage? Paano? Ito mauna. Okay. Oh my gosh, sure ma'am. Alright, tingin po sa akin dito. Ready? Alright, ready. 1, 2. One more. 1, 2. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ano pa? Ay, ang ganda po ng smile. Okay, ready? 1, 2. One more. 1, 2. Thank you. Thank you po. Yes, ma'am.
Hoping that all these things will happen, di ba? But these disruptions prevented us from implementing those things.
All right, one more photo. One more photo. Squeeze in. Squeeze in. All right, ready? 1, 2. One more. 1, 2.
And that's a wrap. What an incredible experience.
Sorry. Please come forward. Yep, perfect. All right, ready? 1, 2. One more. Can you move at the center? Sorry. So forward, and move the center. Yep, perfect. All right. All right, ready? 1, 2. And wait. All right, one more photo. One more photo with. Sorry, sir. Closer. All right, ready. 1, 2. One more.
And it's a wrap. What a wonderful experience to witness how these leaders collaborate and contribute to the industry's further growth through attending this event. This has been your host, Bruce, and thank you, stay safe, and enjoy the rest of the day.